Grains continue to push up on the positive side, and cattle continues to see some support too. Agnews' Michelle Rook has an update as we move into the end of the week in markets now.
Well, grains ending to the plus side on Thursday. Dwayne Bussey, Bolt Marketing, is back with us. And Dwayne, nice rebound in the grains on Thursday. How much of it was technical?
I think a lot of it was technical, but we probably also went too far down on Wednesday's trade too. We were chasing tariff news then, so I think we needed to rebound a little bit on Thursday. But a lot of it was technical. I mean, you held an upward trend line in May corn, you held a 200-day moving average in beans, and this market might just chop around a whole lot as we're looking for news until we get to the March 31st planning intentions report.
And we keep kind of trading every tariff headline. And so when we get a day past a lot of the big news, the market kind of can digest that and relax just a little bit, right?
Yeah, for sure. And I think that's a lot of what Thursday's trade was. It's just we didn't have the big time negative tariff news. And I mean, I'm exhausted by it. I'm sure everyone else is too. It's on again, off again. I have heard that the new prime minister in Canada wants to sit down and actually meet. Hopefully that means some trade negotiations, and maybe we end up with some good news out of this eventually.
Right. The other big factor, talk about the stellar weekly exports that we had on all the grains.
There you go. Yeah, I think that really accelerated the gains on Thursday morning too. Wheat exports were phenomenal. We haven't had that large in a long time. Corn was good. Soybeans were solid too. And I'm one of the negative guys that keeps talking about new crop export soybean demand, and China will probably back off. But here China was in back buying old crop beans from us, and not a lot of cancellations.
Yeah, and the most impressive part of the week was almost 29 million bushels of wheat exports. It's been a while since we've had that big of a weekly total.
I know, thank goodness, right? Poor wheat always gets beat down. I think the lower dollar really had something to do with that.
And live cattle made new highs for the move. Feeders made new contract highs and then reversed. Is that a top?
$1 million question there. I will say this, we're going to have to see how the trade goes today. If it's lower and we have continued selling, then next week it's going to be a lot of pressure to go take out those highs. It was a lot of volume on Thursday when we reversed. So right away early on, it does look like a top, but I've been bit several times calling it a top in the cattle market.
All right. Thanks so much. Dwayne Bussey with Bolt Marketing. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
For marketing advice, call Bolt Marketing, a futures and options brokerage firm.